So after we learned a little bit about texture, the first thing I want you guys to do, you're gonna get a white piece of paper and of course add your name to the back of that white piece of paper, then flip it over to the front. And you're gonna be able to choose a second color. Everybody will have a white paper, then you'll get a second color. I just chose green, but I think we've got like the entire rainbow colors that you can choose from. And the second thing you're gonna do is get a glue bottle and make sure that you are sharing glue at your table. I think we're probably only gonna have enough for 2 glue bottles per table. So once you're done gluing, you're just gonna pass it to the next person. I'm just gonna do a little bitty edge around my colored piece of paper. Okay, it's about the width of a string, so kind of like I have a glue string around the edge. And I'm gonna flip it over and put it in the center of my paper so it looks like I have the same distance here as I do here. Same thing on the sides, just like that. And that's all we're doing with this paper so far. So I'm gonna put that to the side. You should also have a yellow square, and then you're gonna get a tracer. This is for your little tortilla, for your taco. So I put my tracer on top of my yellow piece of paper, and I'm gonna hold the tracer with one hand really, really good. And I'm gonna take my other hand and trace around the edge. Goodness. With my pencil, so that when I take away my tracer, I have a circle that's now on my yellow piece of paper. Okay, make sure, go ahead and write your name on the back of that one too. And we still have to add a taco texture to this piece of paper. Okay, so we're actually gonna take this paper and go outside with it. And you're gonna need a brown crayon. Okay, then you're gonna put your paper down on the ground and you're gonna lay your oil pastel. I got black, you can use black or brown. And you're gonna go across and get the texture. And now that I have my texture on my yellow square, I'm gonna take my scissors and cut out that circle that I drew the first time. Okay, and after you've cut out your circle, what you're gonna do, fold that circle right in half. And then you're gonna glue your taco, because now you kind of have like a little taco shell. You're gonna glue your taco to the center of your the colored part on your paper. So again, I'm just gonna do a very thin string around the edge and stick it on. You are not gonna do not glue your taco closed because we still have to add toppings on the inside. But once you get to this point, you'll be done for day 1, and this will get you set up for day 2. For day 2 of this project, I'm gonna come around and get everybody one little string of glue just around the edge of their taco. And I have a box of toppings that are gonna be at your desk. The green is lettuce, there's cheese that's yellow, and then the tomatoes are red. And what you're gonna do is go around the edge and you can add your toppings. So I'm just gonna get a little pinch, not too much. You can add your toppings like this. Probably don't put much in the middle because when we close it, you're not gonna see the middle. Gonna add some tomatoes around the edge. The red could also be spicy peppers if you wanted it to be a spicy taco, if you like spicy. And then once you are ready to close your taco, you're gonna raise your hand and you're gonna say sour cream, please. And I'm gonna put some sour cream on your taco like this. And we're gonna close it so that all the little toppings are kind of sticking out up top. And then your taco's done. But now we need to add a border to the edge of your paper. So you'll have a separate box at your table. These are little tiles, and you can make a pattern with whatever color pattern you want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna make a few dots and add my color pattern going around the edge. I think I'm gonna do 4 at a time. So my pattern is purple, green, blue, pink. So I'm gonna start over here. It'll be purple, green, blue, pink. Again, purple, green, blue, pink. And I'll just start over and go all the way around.